Miguel, congratulations. How pleased are you, not just with the result, but the way your side handled the performance out there tonight?
Yes, very happy. Very important to start winning away from home, especially. We all know how difficult it is to win the Champions League away from home. An incredible atmosphere of football, so passionate, so much into the game, and yeah, we have to earn the right to start to increase the probability of winning, because they made it really tough the moment that they were very physical. And they won a lot of duels, especially in the first 25-30 minutes. It wasn't that fluent, but we knew that in the second half we will become more dominant, more of a threat, and then what we always discuss, the finisher making such an impact today that is a joy to watch, because that means that they feel very connected to the team.
What pleased you the most about the way your side managed to make it through that first half that was difficult and perform better after half-time?
That when we had to play a certain game, we did it. When they took us to play a really direct and physical game, we handled it. When it was very transitional, we handled it. When it was...
See the tactics, see the strategy. Football, no, we just don't put 11, just put anybody you like, or just put any player, just say with them play. No, there are some details, there are some things, plan. As a manager, you go plan. Football no be fantasy. Yes, no be all this, no be PS4. Yes, it's not real life. No be football manager. So they plan them, they strategize them. If at the end of the day your plan work, that's what it's supposed to be. The Saturday that they talk and say a man is sweet now because he work. The two way they plan for inside the dressing room, talk with the players. At the end of the day, it materialized. If to say no work now, you know go there all smiles like this. And that's so football be. Sometimes you win some, you lose some, and you draw some. It always happen again. That's why the time people say, the day Mark the Magic say go play rubbish. You could have calm down, everywhere to go catch fire. See a very change today now. We didn't really live up to expectation as I would have wanted. Yes. So, but that's life. It doesn't mean he's not a good player. Another game, he will still better. Yes, you can't be right in all games. That's what it be.
Against the low block, we handle it, and that's the way. It's a lot of games throughout the game, and the quality of the position in this competition is going to demand you a lot, and I think we handle with it quite well.
We've talked all week really about the depth, and I'm sure when you make substitutions, you want them to make an impact. For Gabriel Martinelli to do it after 36 seconds, that must be so pleasing.
Unbelievable. Both him and Leo, you know, they have very different qualities to Epps and Victor. But they come, I look at them immediately, they were ready, immediately they were connecting with each other, and very pleased, because I told them most of the times you're going to be guys more important than the ones starting, so the quality of the minutes is going to be critical, and I'm very pleased because this is going to help us.
And look, it's another clean sheet. I think it's 18 goals in 25 Champions League games Arsenal have conceded under your management. And a word for Christian Mosquera, who was outstanding again tonight. Such a young man coming in and making his Champions League debut.
Yeah, I think the level of commitment and love for defending that the boys are putting, it's spectacular. And they do it especially when the situations are very critical, because especially the way we play, there are quite a lot of open spaces. But yeah, they have the heart, they have the understanding, and hopefully we can build from that, because that helps you to win a lot of games.
Before Valverde go talk, you know, say some people don't even forget say Mosquera played for La Liga for like two seasons. Last season he played about 36 or 37 games out of 38. The season before, almost the same thing. So that one don't already understand La Liga. He know this Atletico Bilbao. They face them normally. Yeah, so no be new team for him. Now normal level. They play for Valencia. Valencia is a small team for La Liga. I always say don't Shalatsky now. But Valencia self, they all learn small. Yes, so that's what it be. But yeah, Atletico Bilbao manager.
Very good first half. Great atmosphere out there. Talk to us about the game.
Yes, great atmosphere here. All of our fans there, they have been expecting, waiting for this game from 11 years ago, I think. And today we have felt his support, the support from the beginning. It's a pity for us not to win today, but okay, it has been a.
Let the man speak Spanish now. Me person interpret. You can be all this one now.
It's a good game, hard game with a tough team, Arsenal, but 7 games to go. I think that we have more chances in next games. I hope so.
You played very bravely in the first half and pressured them a lot. What happened in the second half, would you say?
I think that the first 20 minutes we were okay, but at the end of the game, there are some difference between them and us. They were stronger than us in the 1-against-1, with these two players, Trossard and Martinelli. They are very fast, and I thought in the game that maybe the draw was okay, but okay, we have to accept the score and to try to improve and to try to win more matches, of course.
We saw Nico Williams here looking. How much is it going to mean to get him back?
Nico Williams is a very important player for us, and we try to recover him for the next matches. And okay, it's normal that if today he would be in the pitch, maybe something happened. But we have to accept these things in the season. So we will try again.
Congratulations on the victory and to be the player of the match. How do you feel after the victory, and how does it mean for you to be named the player of the match in your Champions League debut?
Yeah, really happy with the result, with the goal and the assist as well. Yeah, it's a really complicated place to come and win a game here. It's really difficult, but I think the team did really well. In the second half, I think there was more space to run, and when I came on, I just tried to go in behind, and was a great ball from Leo. And yeah, really happy with the man of the match as well.
The team managed the game very well against a strong opponent. How do you feel about the team's overall performance and control throughout the match?
Yeah, I mean, as I said, it's a really complicated place to come, and they've got a really nice team, a good team. Nice fans, the atmosphere was amazing, and yeah, we did well in the game. We controlled some parts of the game. Of course, they were playing at home, so they did well as well. But I think we were more clinical, and yeah, we deserved the win.
Martinelli, winning in such a demanding stadium as San Mamés is always difficult and special. How important is for you this victory, and what expectation does it create for the team in the Champions League?
Yeah, I mean, when you play for Arsenal, you go to the things to win. So we're here to win. It's really good to start the campaign with the victory. And yeah, as I said, we are really happy. I'm happy with the performance of the team and the man of the match award as well.
You're in the many best.
Martinelli, what me I would talk, we say just continue like this. Keep your head up. 70 minutes, 75 minutes, fall in and do your magic. You get, and that in fact. For me, that would be the best. Maybe just be our impact sub. Just be our impact sub. You get 70 minutes, just enter. Play there, lady master, carry go. Now your talent. Now God give you that one. So that was how they see. Yeah.
Better feelings than match night 1 Champions League, getting a big away win under your belt?
Not really. I think the first one is always important, and I think you've seen last year as well. Every point counts. And this is not an easy away game to play at. So. Well done to the team.
I was going to ask about that. The first half in particular seemed so frustrating. What was that like to play in, and how did you manage to make that breakthrough then in the second half?
Yeah, I think we didn't play well the first half. We lost too many duels, I think.
Exactly.
And because of that, we didn't really come into our game, the game that we want to play. But still, I think the team showed great resilience even in the second half. I don't think we gave much away. And I think the subs did amazing coming in.
When I spoke to Mikel Arteta before the game, he talked about wanting to dominate the game, not let them have any chances. I can't really remember David Raya making many saves.
Yeah, I spoke to Mikel Arteta before the game, not letting them have many chances, wanting to dominate the game. Now, that is Arteta's mind. After the match, looking at the statistics, did they have many chances? They created 0 big chance. They had 2 shots on goal. That's why the devil will say, sometimes put yourself in the manager's mind. No, they use the power of hindsight. Before the match, what will be the manager game plan? Because you must have a game plan. How you want to approach this particular match. You don't hear Arteta game plan now. At the end of the day, did it work or it did not work? That's what I say. When they give Ogbeni flowers if he work.
The defensive record you have in Europe is ridiculous. How do you manage to keep it so tight, the four of you at the back?
Yeah, it's not just the four of us. What you say is also David and the whole team. I think defensively, the effort we put in it's amazing to see, and the standards in that are really high, which is great to be a part of, and hopefully many more clean sheets incoming.
Can I ask about one of the newcomers to that back four? Christian Mosquera was played well at the weekend, kept his place tonight. How impressed were you with him as a young man coming in for his Champions League debut?
Yeah, he does amazing, especially what you say, he's still so young, and the way he comes in looks so easy for him, winning his duels and on the ball as well. It's great to have him next to me, and I think he has a bright future ahead as well.
Just looking ahead, it's only match day one, but the vibes in the dressing room seemed really good. How much hunger is there in this squad to maybe go one better than you managed last season in Europe?
We take it game by game, you know. We know what we're capable of, and there's still a long way to go, but I think today is a very good start. And just we have to go on from here.
Many things, see plenty will go happen, so we'll just watch.